Okay. Let's see. So yesterday I moved my GUI and my scene handler to be an auto load separately, and so I'm trying to debug that right now. But it'll make things easier down the road. Anyway, I'm not sure why we're not able to get that reference, because it's right here. And from what I can tell, that should be existing. Turn off my coffee real quick. I put it here. Oh, because it's right there. Screen flash, look, it's right here. $17.35. I don't get it. It's right there. Let's try reload. That's a good sign when it crashes when you try and reload. Just gonna real quick. Just for debugging. You know, I'll do it on main. Choose weighted. Let's do So now if I press T, yeah, I don't understand. It's saying that invalidate index screen flash base GT script. Let's go to Godot or the internet, Google. Oh, there we go. I was like, we'll rename that then. I didn't know that. See, what sucks is they don't tell you that. Right? They just automatically change the spelling of it. And it's crap like that that really. Oh, and now I'm guessing we can't move it because it's an auto load. So let's just delete that. Or not. Why can't this be renamed? It's crap like this that makes me want to run and make my own engine. But theoretically, that would be a heck of a lot more work. See, that fixed it. So we just need GUI, main GUI. This has to be up first. Now, anywhere I'm calling in my code, this, these are fine. Like here, this has to be main GUI. Pretty much all in main. And main, I might change to be like a room manager. I don't know. Main works for now. All right, fingers crossed. To access my GUI right now. Oh boy. Who's trying to load that? So I got to reopen it. This stuff drives me insane. All right, we have our GUI. Let's see if the screen flash works. No, that's still breaking. So I did all that work and it's still freaking breaking. Is it because of spelling? I mean, it looks like it works. Oh, crap. Yeah, that's the problem, because that's the class, but why does it keep doing this? Like, keep my wife's mouth out your name. Are you kidding me? Oh, crap. I could have done GUI. That's alright. I think the whole problem was that I had a class name in here. It wasn't that it was built into Godot, it was that I was defining it here, so you can't have that on the auto load apparently. There we go. Oh, almost. Okay, that makes sense, yeah. um, remove child. So I think I have to look at the scene tree when that crashes. I changed the, oops, that's weird. Whatever. I like went into the menu right when that transition was happening. Okay, so we got to look at the tree. Main. Okay, so main is outside, or world map is outside of main now. I think we have to do active scene and then we're going to do change scene too. Instead of doing, having it be a child of it. I think that's the play. See my typo. That's the path we want to do. Change scene 2, I think that's what we want. Yeah. It has to be a pack scene. Yeah. um, we just have to modify that. Target scene equals that. Let's see. It's gonna be a pack scene. We're going to change the scene here. But really, if we just need the name, we don't really need to do all this now. Just do the path. And update active scene is gonna be on give tree current scene. I guess we don't need to send an argument. This. That. And let's get back down here. Target scene. We don't have to add the child anymore because we're using the tree now. It's not a child of main. So all of that should be okay. And then we have to update our battle code. Because that, I think we do want to keep. So I have to figure out how to keep the how to take the active scene and kind of pause it. Could just pause that scene and draw the battle over top of it. Battle over top. So just be like active. We do that. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Pausing. We are pausing, so it should be pausing the world map. Let's see what that looks like. Let's not need that. I think really. Probably want to get. See if there's a function signal in here that we could use instead of that. Tree entered. So we could do child entered tree. Oh wait, this is the wrong scene tree. Like is root, that's a viewport. That's Let's just take a look here. It's node added. So I think we could use that. Instead of that. That way it's less spangled. Spangled? Just said less spangled. Like a banner. I meant mangled. To get tree.connect node. What was it? Node entered? We'll try that. Self on tree. Do that. Put this up at right here. I think this sends the node. So we shouldn't need to call that anymore like that. So I'm doing that way we don't always have to call it from here. This is just if we want the full transition method and everything. I'm just going to double check I have. We're on the wrong thing again. Node added. Okay. That's weird. Interesting. I think it just needs to be on a canvas layer. If we just put that on top. instead of that, we're going to do so we're not getting our screen shake. I think it's because it's on that. We have to do that. There we go. So we got knocked out. We got knocked out and now it's nighttime? I don't even know how it changed to night. This is gonna glitch out because I don't have any health and I haven't. It's supposed to be game over state. Anyway, it seems about right. We can get rid of up here. I think, where is it? Hard to get rid of that code. I guess I did. Cool. Let's see if that override works. Just want to find out why that's running twice. This. All right, so it's not overriding. think it's this code. Yeah. And so in here, active scene. Well, no, I guess we're not. Set darkness. Sorry, we don't want that there. I think we do need some form of this. Get tree current scene. That's all right. All right, so getting close. Let's try running away. I failed. Could work on a game over state. And maybe in the editor we just don't show the lights. The lights on the players. I just want to see if that'll work if we add a visibility enabler on lights. Do some testing. On what? It's probably our ambient light. Yeah, for some reason our lights stopped working. Okay. And that fixes the bug. So maybe we're just not updating our lights when we enter a town. It's like the lighting got messed up, the timing. Oh, I know why. Yeah. All of this has to go up here. Except for that. No. Weird. Okay. It's like those torches don't exist in that moment. How are we getting that? Like, it's not telling me where that's happening. Let's see if that fixes it. Yep. I wonder if we need that anymore. Yes, we do. Okay. Since I changed the font, we're gonna have to account for that. Turn them off. uh, it looks like we're back. I do want to polish this UI. I think we're just going to start. We're going to hide this one anytime we press into it. Because I don't like how that overlaps. Like this looks fine, right? Because there's no overlap. also need these to function more like buttons, how they're gray until you focus on them. I don't like how that goes all the way over. I think this should be down here. Maybe not. We should show the status window when we're highlighting one of these. So let's get that implemented. So it's going to be on targets top. We want to show, I don't know if it'll automatically update. Let's see. No. Let's do that. So if I save that, that should hide it. Yep. We're not going to push that over anymore. We show it to yeah, we'll figure that out later. I do need that to update. What's that one? That's our target party. We need to disable that if we don't have more than one party member. might change this. Like we're just going to push that over to here. Let's see something. Yeah, we're going to change it up. Oh, did this never activate? Oh, no, we're good. Okay, cool. This is just going to be order. Crap. So here. So that should get us pretty close. We want to disable it if we don't have more than one party member. I think that kind of works, showing their items. Button focused. Top menu. No. Should be that simple. Nope. False. Oh, duh, I have it backwards. Cool. So that stays correct. Nice. And then I changed, we have test to take the health down. And then we press H to heal. Yeah, cool. So I'm doing it like Dragon Quest XI now, where you just press like you press a key or a button for the auto heal when you're on the menu. It does a quick heal. Looks like I have to consume the input when I close that text box. Let's see. So this is probably waiting on, yeah. So could just move these to the top, see if that fixes it. is not. We'll see exactly when that's happening. And then it's false there. I think we need to yield. Like if not on, we're going to yield. So we just give that text box some time to consume the input. Theoretically, it's not working. Huh. Does that work? No. It works fine if I do exit from it, like if I do a cancel, but let's look at this code. About this, we do button get focus. You're not at control. I mean, we can use any control. Focus and if not value, else had that backwards. There we go. So it just totally clears the focus on that, so we can do this. And that looks pretty good. PHP -1 plus defense plus 1. Just make sure it's always -1. No, it keeps going. Hmm. I think it needs to be, choose the highest of this, and so it's going to be 1 and that. It's going to reduce our health to 1. It should do it every time. Max high, we're taking the highest of that. Oh, we want the min. No, this logic's not right. That, add that. Our battle actor. Right after there. I don't even know. Can we have numbers in function names? I guess we can. It's going to be heal hurt. I think HP plus 1. Minus HP plus 1. What? See what the hell's going on there. Minus 36. If that's the case, if we're taking away 36, then our health should print out that value. Right? But it's not. Like you can see, it's, wow. This will be 1. Okay, what's going on in here? Oh, defense. I have more defense. Then I'm going to have to update every call of this. If we're calling it from a battle actor. Let's see. Like right here. Actually, let's put this at the end. Then we don't have to update our code. And so we're just going to do false true here. And that's nice because now we have a setup for critical hits. CT, beautiful. All right, now it's working. I think we need that. What the hell? We'll keep it in there. Okay. think your text box, we're going to make you accessible outside of your script. So there are places like that, so it's, I should probably make sure. Match case, whole words. And we're going to have to update all of our inheriting parts. So we have the recruiting station. All right, you are not, that's good. And then we have the house of healing. And you are good, cool. So I did that because now I can do or we can just do init text box. Does that have to be an array? Cool. Then we can heal. I still have to pull that heal, the name of the spell that we're using. I think I need to modify it. We're a little bit, if I look at my main GUI code, where we call that, what is it? Top off health on target. It's, let's see, top off target. HP max, I think we want to do, if it's less than like 75%, right? Just heal up. And currently I have that set up to be like the older Dragon Quest games where it prints out every time you cast that heal spell, whereas in the in 11 it just like casts them all in quick succession. There's maybe like a frame or two delay between each one, but it doesn't print out any text. So we can do that, and then, right, it's still only casting that once. I feel like 21, if we go to our calculator, will that be, it's gonna be a little embarrassing, my math skills. I don't have a numpad anymore. Let's see. Divided by what? 37. Right, so we have 57% health, right? So if this is less than 75% of our health, we should be healing, but we're not. Maybe it's in usability. Is there an issue? So let's see what's going on here. So it's only getting called once. And I think we need to do while that. Or is that going to lock up? Let's see. I think it will lock up, but we'll try it. No, it worked. Cool. Wow. I guess that yield prevents us from that taking over the I don't know, whatever they call it. Cool. So trying to heal, you can see that printing out false because there's nothing to heal. I can take this back down and yeah. Cool. So we might as well get that ability name now. So I don't need that anymore. Oops. Find ability by name. I have an idea. I could store like last used ability in the battle actor. And we call this, we do and then we can do I'll probably do the same thing with items when we need it. Okay, there we go. Perfect. And then later on, when I add, like when we have different healing spells, we're gonna have to change this up. All right, let's do refactor. So, right, if we have like a heal more or its equivalent, we'd want to do some math to see if it's more efficient to use that. And if not, we'll just use that, right? And so instead of checking percentages, we'll be checking like the amount of health that's missing versus what they're going to gain. Okay. Also, let me know if you prefer this kind of subdued, these like gray tones instead of the black and white for the UI. I think it looks a lot better. It's a little bit less contrasty. It's a little easier on the eyes, I think. But I did keep the text at white. And it's also still within the color palette of my game. So keeping that consistent. I think next I want to have these colors update so they're working like true buttons. So if I give llama multiple items, for example, let's go to our battle actors, player 0. Let's see, so let's give them, trying to think what other weapons we have. What do we have? Stick. Just give them a few sticks. And we have, I think it's item button, we call it. Button with quantity. That's incorrect. It's not quite right. Let's go into here, font color. Which I can just grab. let's see, font color. It's gonna be modulate equals this. We're gonna make a new auto load. Just gonna be a regular node. You know what? Take that back. I'm just gonna grab this. I'm gonna hide it by default. And I think it's gonna need a script, right? Maybe not. That did not show up. Let's see. Oh no, we are going to give it a script because what I want to do with it is hiding. Do something like handle if keep p visible. Make sure it's hidden on start. Then I was just going to give it a, guess we could do a dictionary. Dictionary of colors. So I have to name it. It's going to be like, let's see. Might just start with the ones that I need right now. Like dark gray. Strictly just so I'm not modifying that. So dark gray is going to be, that's not the same that I'm using. What is that? What am I using this one? For, let's see. Oh, okay. Take it back. Take it back. Let's grab that. That's our dark gray. I just do, I think that. So then we can do what other stuff. Just save that. No, this is wrong. We want this here. And so otherwise we want this color, which is going to be, let's call it like shadow. And I also have to update when we focus on it. Alright. Okay, so it's not working. Oh! It's too dark. That's the disabled color. If disabled, I think on here it should tell me. That's the default. 989898. I don't even know. Like, am I actually getting that from my palette? Yeah, I don't see that anywhere. I feel like we actually did that one. It's going to be light gray. Oops. It's a little bit different, but it's still not right. They have to be focused on one time. Just by default, do that. Beautiful. These look different. suppose we could combine them there. Oh man. Okay. Let's go add some party members and see if that works. How's our graphs? Ooh. Let's see if the order works properly. Lily, Patch. I get Sydney. Alright, so we have our party members. Order is not showing up now. I think that's because we're doing it in ready. Yep. We actually want to do it on, I think on start. Right. Okay, that did not do it. This is getting called. Okay. As far as I know, it should be getting called. Ready, show. Okay, we're not calling that anywhere. Oops. Show fans. Yeah, we do just want to call start here. We're going to add this to it. And we're going to override. Do 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 do. Let's see. Oh. That's a new one. Oh, we have to check if what? do this if do that. So now when I open up a text box, it shouldn't crash. Beautiful. Now I want to test party members. Make sure our order is updating. Let's see. Beautiful. Alright, cool. If stats, that's alright, we never got to their stats. We just need to update that. Update that when we highlight target's top. Button focused if we're on target's top. Equipment, items menu type. Equipment menu. If we want to show the equipment menu as well. We're not going to do that every time. It's just it's weird. Main GUI. Oh, we're never setting that. Let's see. Right, this isn't getting called. Getting that. Oh, we're calling this, but not. That is not what we want. So we need to check button pressed. Targets top, items top. This is not usable anymore. So do that. We're going to check that in. Let me press here. Status. Oops. Cool. If beautiful. Ah, Chris Tofu Mama. Let's do it. Cool. Let's see the update. Persist into here. I like this how they scoot down a bit to indicate that they are going. You could probably do the same thing when they're acting. Go back a step. This text is not updating, right? Phew. Need to change it so that they need like that casket for the party caterpillar thing. Wow, that was a fast battle transition. So let me make a few more notes. We need scoot card and cascade. Okay. Condition is inside tree is true. I'm not sure about that one. It's not game breaking, so it's not a big deal right now. Let's just clean this up a bit. There. Let's do what the hell all that space is for. Like if enter, what was I was trying to type out a problem I was trying to work through. Scoot info card when acting. So, might just be in here. Call it players. So I'm not seeing where I'm sliding them down. Oh, here we go. Yeah. Set highlighted. So while they're acting, we want them to be highlighted. Okay. It's going to be in advanced event queue. Down here we do if to friendly or no. Do like this. A little sloppy, but I think down here we just toggle it off. battle. So we should see these notch down if they're acting. Yeah. Didn't reset though. And so we're probably doing a return. So they all attacked. Yeah, that's weird. Oh, because we're using player index. We have to use from.getIndex. Hmm. And I think if we game over or run away, like any of those, we just want to make sure they're all not active, not highlighted. Get buttons. Oh. So we're not giving them an index. Okay. Let's just add it. So we're just getting the index that we are at. Which reminds me, in battle, we have to do this down here. Oh no, it's fine. Perfect. Oh, I have to fix that. That like this whole setup. Mm. Yeah, see, I need to reset them up here. Victory. I don't care enough to make that a separate function right now. That should fix that. What are we printing out down here? Right, we're printing out a random vector. Where would that be? 1616. 2012. Not in there. Oh, it's in the light. Pretty sure. No? Cluter, maybe? That does not have a script. Might be an ambient light. Negative. Oh well. Don't need that. Whoa. I don't know why this town runs like crap. Because I have areas with lots of lights that don't run like crap. Okay, from what I can tell, it does automatically stop processing lights that are not visible. As you can see how how much better the performance is. Right, when we're down here, once we start going up here, like this area. Well, it looks alright there. Yeah, like right around here, it just gets really unhappy. Maybe it's because there are so many lights. Yeah, like this area is messy. see if we can change some settings here. I don't really know what the heck, how the buffer affects anything. Holy crap. Oh, no, I spoke too soon. That does not fix it. Turn that off. Relive. Keep doing that. Nope. Let's get that off, and we're going to disable that until we get in the game. Um, oh, shit. I wonder why he's running down at the beginning. It's pretty weird. So one thing I thought might improve lighting performance is if I write code that makes long rectangular occluders instead of one for every tile where we need it. Which is basically just all around here. If the menu is not visible, we return. All right, I think it's break time. Thanks for hanging out. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Maybe I'll be back a little bit later. Let's see, are we all caught up?